So we're still on the same page. I think you should swallow your pride and forgive and forget. Never! I will not. Yeah, don't swallow your pride. Don't forgive. Don't forget. Just move on in that case. There's my recommendation. You're young and there's plenty more fish in the sea. Right, after that introduction, you've got in 7.2, you've got two similar conversations. Which expressions do they use instead of the modal verbs? Write the expressions in the correct column. Compare the answers with a partner and listen again and check. Well, you can't really compare with a partner. So I'm going to put up the answers in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here they come. Right. Now, as I've said before, I think these are very, very good for your speaking test. Instead of saying, I think you should, you can say, if I were you, I would. Okay. I refuse to is the same as I will not. You'll have no choice. Yeah, you'll have to. You won't be able to instead of you can't. Well, they're the same. Okay. Even though one of them, obviously, you won't be able to is followed by a verb with to. You won't be able to do it, but you can't do it. Don't forget, modal verbs, all of these modal verbs, there is no to after them. Never, okay? So if you say to after a modal verb, stop it. Stop it now. You must stop it. You have to stop it. Right, maybe we can use instead of might. That's easy, isn't it? Yeah, I'll never be able to, and I can't. Notice the future of can't and can is can't or can, okay? Can you come to my party next month? I can't. We're still in lockdown. Yeah. Will you be able to come to my party next month? I won't be able to come if we're still in lockdown, okay? So, again, the meaning is the same, just a little bit different grammatically from the structure. Surely it's possible to, I like that one. You're not allowed to, it's not allowed, it's forbidden, it's not permitted, all sorts of things like that. Ought to means you should be able to read that rather than can't you read. I don't think that's exactly the same. It's impossible to see, and you'd better get your eyes tested. Right, you had better. Not you would better, okay? Apostrophe D is had. You had better is like you should, but I think it's a little bit stronger, and we tell it to people very often. If I say you should, it doesn't feel like I'm going to be punished if I don't do it. If I say I'd better, I'd better get ready because we're leaving in 10 minutes, yeah, rather than I should. I should, but maybe I won't, okay? Right, and as that appears a second time, I should get rid of it. So we've got some modal verbs in the box and they've got some related expressions. We've just been through those ones, so I'm going to put up the answers very, very rapidly. Okay. Press pause if you want to look at these ones. Interesting one again, manage to. Manage to is normally when you do something, but it's not easy, okay? I managed to get a couple of tickets and they were the last 2 tickets available, okay? Something like that. To be likely to, also very interesting. Is it likely to rain later, okay? Send me your number because I'm likely to forget, okay? Bound to, beautiful expression, very normal English expression, yeah. If I go out later on today, it's bound to rain, okay? It will definitely. And very often we use this with a sense of irony or pessimism, okay? That something's bound to go wrong. But you can also use it in a positive way, okay? Yes, I know it looks difficult, but you're bound to feel better when you've done it, okay? Right, let's move on because I'm trying to get through the answers to these ones as quickly as possible. And we're going to have a look at the secret. Listen and complete the conversation. Who are the people talking? What is the secret? Who do you suppose Claire is? And there are some balloons there about the secret. Okay, so you're going to listen to it. I'm going to put up the answers now. It's 7.3. Here come the answers. And you can also, if you get a digital copy of this, you can actually read the tape script, or you can find it in the back of your book. The people are a brother and sister, the surprise party, and Claire is either the brother's girlfriend or the brother's wife. Okay, and that's the end of this part.